Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll answer a common question. Does EcoATM take locked iPhones? The short answer is yes and no. Let me explain. If your iPhone is carrier locked to a network like AT&T or Verizon, EcoATM will usually accept it, but you'll get a lower payout compared to an unlocked phone. If your iPhone is iCloud locked, meaning Find My iPhone is still on, EcoATM will reject it, since those devices can't be reset or resold without the owner's Apple ID. And if your iPhone is passcode locked, EcoATM also won't take it. So to recap, carrier locked, accepted but lower value. iCloud or passcode locked, not accepted. That's it. Now you know exactly what to expect if you're planning to sell your iPhone at an EcoATM. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech guides.